This is a movie of a DC-3 landing in high winds, about 80 knot headwind, right down the runway.
Yeah, I think it's like for a month or two yet, don't you, David, anyway?
Yes.
500 turning final.
This is a cockpit view. Got the wheels on the ground.
Get a sandwich out. You're going to go final.
Short final.
Yeah, I'm screaming up to our destination here. I must be doing well over 200 knots ground speed. I've still got 61 knots of wind behind me, about 50 miles out.
Got the wheels on the ground. The airplane is starting to back up. I'm holding some power on the engines, and it's backing up, keeping the tail in the air.
Ed, something's gone badly wrong with your mic there.
Roger, Mark. I'm going to fix that with the voice overlay.
Overhearing is static.
Roger that.